Introducing the HP Stream Laptop, your gateway to effortless computing. Are you ready to embark on a computing journey that's as sleek as it is efficient? The HP Stream Laptop is here to elevate your digital experience to new heights. Let's dive into the highlights. High-speed performance, with a blazing-fast Intel Celeron N4120 processor, boasting a burst frequency of up to 2.6 GHz, this laptop ensures that your tasks are handled swiftly and smoothly. Multitasking is a breeze, thanks to the generous 16 GB of high-bandwidth RAM. Whether you're running multiple applications or juggling numerous browser tabs, this laptop handles it all with ease. Ample storage space, the 64 GB eMMC storage ensures rapid boot-ups and seamless data transfers. And the good news doesn't stop there. Included is a bonus 256 GB USB card, offering you ample storage to keep all your files, photos, and more organized and accessible. Vivid visuals, immerse yourself in the 14-inch diagonal HD display, featuring micro-edge technology and an anti-glare coating. With 220 nits of brightness and a 45% NTSC color coverage, your content comes to life with clarity and vibrancy. Versatile connectivity, the HP Stream Laptop is equipped with an array of connectivity options. Whether it's the SuperSpeed USB Type-C port for rapid data transfers, two SuperSpeed USB Type-A ports for peripherals, or the HDMI port for external displays, this laptop has your back. And with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you're always connected to the world. Microsoft Office 365, stay productive with a 1-year subscription to Office 365, including the latest Windows 11 home operating system. Create, edit, and collaborate on documents effortlessly. Additional features, with a built-in webcam, staying in touch with friends and colleagues is a breeze. Plus, this laptop adds a touch of elegance to your workspace with its white finish. Ready to take the leap into a world of smooth performance and versatile computing? If you want to get this fantastic product right now, just click the link below. Backhand index pointing down. Get your HP Stream Laptop now. Backhand index pointing down.